Hey guys, in this video, I'll be answering the question, can you see watch history on Instagram? And the short answer is no. There is no way to see exactly what photos or what videos you are looking at on Instagram. However, there are a couple ways to see some of the posts that you've looked at. So if you head over to the Instagram app, and you'll be brought to the homepage right here. Like I said before, there is really no way to see everything that you've recently looked at. But like I said, there are a couple tricks that you can do to see some of them. So if you click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner right here, then you'll be brought to this page right here. And on this page, you'll want to click on the 3 bars in the top right corner. And on this page that just showed up, the second option down right below settings is your activity. Click on your activity. Now, for some reason, they don't have a specific one for history, but if you click on interactions, which is the third option down for me, if you click on interactions right here, then it will show you all your likes, dislikes, and comments and shares. So if you click onto here, you can see everything that you've recently interacted with. So as you can see all the liked videos that I've recently liked. But there is no way to see the specific watch history. However, like I said, there are a couple tricks so you can see some of it. So you can see some of their comments and likes and story replies, things like that. So that's a way that you can kind of see your watch history on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.